This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, attended the Emirates Government Excellence Conference 2013 at the JW Marriott Marquis Dubai on Tuesday. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed stressed the importance of boosting the culture of excellence in government performance, as it makes up a key element in cementing the status of the UAE as a global destination for investment and business. His Highness also gave directives to establish the Emirates Excellence Council in order to consolidate federal and local government excellence programmes, all under one banner. The new entity looks to build on the efforts of various government excellence teams across the country. The ruler of Dubai also attended some of the workshops that were held on the sidelines of the conference, including career excellence, professional excellence secrets from the Ministry of Interior, and a workshop organised by the UAE Prime Minister's Office on excellence in municipal work. And additionally, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, witnessed a signing ceremony of 3 agreements to provide specialised training for the federal government staff in cooperation with a number of prominent local and international educational institutions. The agreements are aimed at improving the skills of federal government staff in the fields of government policies, legal administration and communications, and is to be implemented in September this year. Students at the Omar bin Al-Khattab Model School graduated on Tuesday evening at a special ceremony at the Scientific and Cultural Association in Al-Mamzar. The ceremony was held under the patronage of His Highness Sheikh Saeed bin Hamdan Al Maktoum, who also attended the event, which saw a number of teachers, supervisors and social workers also honoured. The ceremony was the school's 3rd graduation, where 2 classes in the science section and 2 in the literary section were celebrated.
The graduation ceremony represents a happy occasion for students, teachers and parents. Today, they will pick the fruit of 12 years of labor. And for me, it's a great happiness to be here with my students, to see the results are coming true.
Today I'm very excited about this moment and about this occasion. Today we finished 12 years of school, and now I'm very excited and very emotional for this moment and this day, because after 12 years we finished the school now, and we are ready to face life.
I feel proud and satisfied of my school, and I'm proud to be representing the school in this graduation ceremony, and I'm very happy and excited to be out of this school. It makes me proud to be one of the graduates of this school. The school's principal and principal and vice principal and the whole teacher are to be thankful, and I am very.
The implementation of the new pricing system of medicines in the UAE was announced today by the Ministry of Health, where the prices of 6,619 imported drugs will be reduced from this Thursday. The Medical Practices and Licenses Sector Registration and Drug Control Department at the Ministry of Health, together with the Pharmaceuticals Research and Manufacturers Association in the Gulf, announced the new pricing system, which looks to standardise the pricing of imported medicines to the private sector, ensuring reasonable prices as well as to encourage further investment into the pharmaceutical industry. The decision to implement the new system was taken during a UAE cabinet meeting on Sunday at the Presidential Palace in Abu Dhabi. His Excellency Abdul Rahman Mohammed Al Owais, the Minister of Health, welcomed officials from the Ministry of Economy and Health, as well as insurance companies, pharmaceutical companies and many more, where a number of presentations followed. During the forum, the new pricing system was revealed, as well as providing a platform of communication between all stakeholders.
First of all, the Ministry of Health were so keen to do the study at the level of the Emirates to find out what's the status of the prices for different type of medicines, especially the medicines for the chronic disease at the level of the country. And we did a study among 5 countries, which it was Lebanon, Bahrain, Oman, Saudi Arabia, and Jordan. And we found that the prices of different type of medication, especially for the medicines for the chronic disease, is much more higher than the other countries. At the same time, there was a ministerial decree signed by all the ministers of health at the level of the GCC countries that the price of the drugs should be done through the US dollar to unify the currency. And unifying the currencies due to the fluctuation of the different type of currencies with different periods of the time during the year, in which it do reflected negatively to the price of the medicine. And since 2008 onwards, the price of the medicine has been increased due to the increment in the euro currency, Swiss franc, and some other currencies.
I think the most important impact is on the patient. This is what is important, is that patients can access medicines at affordable prices and prices that are reasonable for everyone involved in this process, from the manufacturer to the distributor and to the pharmacy. And I believe that this initiative from the Minister of Health has taken all these people into consideration, and we have arrived at a very fair pricing system in the UAE where patients can access the innovative medicines at affordable prices.
The quality of US education in Dubai is set to be improved through an extended agreement that will ensure that schools meet the standards that are officially endorsed by an American accreditation body. The Knowledge and Human Development Authority has signed a strategic agreement with the New England Association of Schools and Colleges to work together and exchange information on US curriculum schools and higher education institutes in Dubai. At present, there are 32 US curriculum-based schools in the Emirates, 4 of which are accredited by the New England Association. Under the agreement, joint KHDA inspection and New England preliminary accreditation team visits will be conducted. The accreditation process, scheduled to begin in Dubai in October, also looks to reassure parents that the education for their children is of the same standard to that in the United States. Officials stated that the new accreditation agreement will ensure schools evaluate their current standards and make improvements where necessary, and that they will benefit from higher standards. Many people in Dubai have it all: good jobs, a great lifestyle, and a happy family. But the question is, where to go from here? Well, the Stanton Chase and Vivid Workshop at the World Trade Center is offering the Dubai community the chance to find out, as well as sharpen up strategic leadership skills through a workshop titled The Key to a Mindful Life. Guests will be able to take part in 7 sessions for 2.5 hours each, 2 times a week. Some of the main objectives of the program are to explore tools that can help you manage stress on a daily basis, a successful impact on professional and personal goals, as well as understanding and facing intercultural challenges.
People around 40 or late 30s and early 40s, they are facing very big questions. I reached everything in my life, and this is exactly here in Dubai. We've reached everything in our lives. We have the best job. We earn enough amount of money. We have very good families, good houses, and then what? I'm still not happy, and I have no idea why I'm doing this. When people start that point, actually, they start to question themselves even more. Okay, and when a person actually starts questioning himself or herself like that, that means they are very much ready to know more about themselves, and they will find actually their potential is not only having a good house or having good amount of money in the bank and having a good job. No, they are much more than that. Most of us actually are striving to be leaders, right? This is the ultimate for every person. And to be honest, the main definition, or to become a leader as per the ancient teaching, we learned that to become a leader, you have to do only two things. First, you need to acquire full self-awareness. The second point, you need to renounce all the obstacles that hindering you from becoming the leader that you're supposed to be.
It's World Environment Day today that's being held under the theme of Think.Eat.Save. And the authorities here in the UAE are warning the community not to waste food, especially during Ramadan. About 39% of over 1.1 million tonnes of municipal waste generated in the capital is mainly leftover food discarded by residents. Officials state that food waste not only contributes to losing land to landfills, but also to climate change and carbon emissions. They added that if every resident made small changes to their food waste, then the quantity can be reduced considerably. This includes encouraging the public to make wise decisions when buying groceries and when cooking their meals, in order to waste as little food as possible. Additionally, the Environment Agency Abu Dhabi has agreed with the Saving Grace project team and a Quattro team to donate approximately 250 meals per day of their leftover food to those in need over the next 5 years. And finally, looking to other news, 9 top international mixed martial arts championships are gearing up to battle it out against 9 of China's greatest kung fu warriors at the first ever WLF MMA Fighting Championship, Dubai 2013. Since its launch in 2004, the WLF has gained an audience of over 127 million followers worldwide and has grown to be the #1 most popular and most influential MMA live fighting program in China and Asia. Fighters gathered today in Dubai for their weigh-ins, ready for the action-packed fight night ahead of them this Thursday. Tickets are available online and the fight will be held at the Dubai World Trade Center from 8 p.m.